How to use CapCut templates. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I am giving you a full guide on how to use CapCut templates. These templates make video editing super easy even if you are a total beginner. So let's get started and create some stunning videos. First, open the CapCut app on the main screen and tap the template tab at the bottom. Here, you will find a variety of templates categorized by trends, moods, or themes. Scroll through until you find one you like. Next, when you have found the perfect template, tap on it to preview. This will show you how the final video will look. If you love it, tap Use Template. Next, you'll be prompted to add your own photos or videos. Simply select the clips from a gallery that fit the template. CapCut will automatically place your media into the template. Don't worry, if something doesn't fit quite right, you can adjust it later. After adding your media, hit preview to see your customized video in action. If everything looks good, tap export to save it to your device. You can even share it directly to social media platforms like TikTok or Instagram. And that's it. Using CapCut templates is one of the easiest way to create professional videos in minutes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.